Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy. In this week again we have seen a certain kind of two sides momentum. In the first three trading sessions the market was into the negative momentum, but in the last two trading sessions there was a good amount of the recovery has happened and it has recouped all the losses which it has faced in a earlier part of the week. As a result of that, the index has closed on the positive note by 1.24% on a week-on-week basis. And if we pay attention to the weekly chart of a Nifty, we can see that means there is a large tail has formed, which represents a buying momentum on the lower end. To dissect more, if we are coming to the daily chart and using our technical tools over there, and let's say it is a trend line. I'm just trying to connect the dots over here. So these are all my important low points are there. So if I connect the all the three of the points over there, so they are just finding their place, or the buyers are finding their momentum at the slope of the trend line. So this rising trend line is acting as a support level to it. By the same time, if I connect the tops, I can take the earlier one as well. So these are the kinds of the tops near about that level we have kept on finding, and the prices are moving in this one particular range. In this week, the important thing is that means whenever the declining momentum has happened, so for three consecutive trading sessions, it has protected the level of a 10,550 level. And this 10,550 level has a relevance from the technical perspective as well. Means first of all, the 3 days price momentum which has rebounded from the 10,550 level, which becomes a very immediate support level for it. Secondly, it is in a lower arm of this rising channel, the lower arm where it has kept on finding the support, so it is continued to find the support over there. And the third thing is that my rule reversal. At one point of time, the 10,550 has acted as an resistance point, and once it is broken out, and thereafterwards it is finding a support over here. So going forward, whatever the momentum that we are looking at, so 10,550 is becoming a very important support level over here. As far as the resistance levels is concerned, if I take the look on the monthly chart, just to understand what are the potential resistance point for me, and I am converting this candlestick chart into the line chart. So in the line chart, what I find is that means let's say if I'm putting my horizontal line at a recent top, so yes, means there are mild kind of resistance is there, but as of now resistance are not getting respect because of the underlying positive momentum. And secondly, the next best potential resistance comes at around these points where the prices has seen a certain kind of the reversal, means let's say one time dip has happened over there, and second time the prices has found reversals from this level. So potentially around 11,000 to 11,050, this can be the potential resistance levels for it. As far as the view is concerned, if we look at the daily chart, and we are well aware within a higher high and higher low sequence. So what has happened now is that means index has continued to form the higher high and higher low sequence. So entire series has moved with a kind of the upward momentum. So as far as the my lower low is not getting, or my immediate low is not surpassed, the bias will remain a positive. So as of now, this kind of the momentum is happening where we can see that means there are a higher high and higher low sequence is intact, and deterioration into this sequence will get confirmed once the 10,550 level is taken out. So overall, the 10,550 is becoming the immediate support level for it. If the market is not moving below this level, the positive bias can be hold on the higher side. 11,950 is an immediate resistance point. Thereafterwards, the 11,000 to 11,050 becoming the next best resistance point for it. But bias will remain a positive as far as the index sustain about the 10,550. This is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.